The Big Day. In the story, you learn 10 useful words: prepare, plan, organize, excited, arrive, forget, meeting, discuss, choose, and relax. Please listen and listen again and try to using them in your own sentences. The Big Day. Today was an important day for Emily. She had to prepare everything for a big meeting at work. To prepare means to get ready for something. Last night, she made a detailed plan to make sure everything would go smoothly. A plan is an idea of what you will do. She woke up early, feeling excited about the day. Excited means feeling very happy and eager about something. Before leaving, she double-checked her notes and started to organize her bag. To organize means to arrange things in order. But when she was halfway to the office, she realized she had forgotten her notebook at home. To forget means to not remember something. Emily quickly returned home, grabbed her notebook, and finally arrived at the office just in time. To arrive means to reach a place. During the meeting, Emily had to discuss the new project with her team. To discuss means to talk about something in detail. She presented her idea and helped the team choose the best strategy. To choose means to decide between different options. After the meeting, everything went perfectly. Emily felt proud of her work and decided to relax with a cup of coffee at her favorite cafe. To relax means to take it easy and rest. In the story, you learn 10 useful words: prepare, plan, organize, excited, arrive, forgot, meeting, discuss, choose, and relax. Please listen and listen again and try using them in your own sentences. Take care. Bye bye.